Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 ways that you can improve your TikTok videos. So welcome to Content Clarity, a channel where I will tell you all the tips and advice surrounding content creation and content planning so that you can grow and scale your business with ease online. So back to those TikTok tips. What exactly do you need to do to make sure that your videos look that bit better inside TikTok? Well, let me tell you. First up, clean your lens. I can guarantee that it's been a while since you have cleaned the lens on your camera, front and back, depending upon which you use most. Make sure that they're both clear. It's amazing what collects on your camera when you shove it into your pocket, and it just creates all this dusty effect that you don't need. So cleaning it will just give you that an instantly sharper picture. Second is light. Make sure that you sit somewhere where this light is hitting either directly onto your face or just from the side. That can be a window, it can be a lamp. Don't make sure that you're getting a shadow, right? So don't shoot with the light behind you because you will just instantly look like a black outline. Third thing is to switch off HDR settings on your phone. I know we all want to record in the best possible resolution that we can on our phones. However, if you're shooting outside of the app and then uploading it later, TikTok does not support HDR. So make sure you switch this off. If you're not sure how to switch it off, go and Google how to switch it off for your particular phone. Fourth thing is sound. If I instantly go closer to the mic, you can hear how that makes such a big difference. Same goes when you're shooting on your phone. If you're shooting on your phone up here or out on a tripod somewhere and you're like really far away and you've got that distance, that's then that distance you're shouting into the tiny little microphone on your phone. So make sure that you use either a lapel mic, which you can get either wired if you have like an Android phone, or if you are using an iPhone, you can actually get a wireless adapter for these, or you can just buy a wireless lapel mic, or again, you just use one of these, right? A set of headphones, I'm sure you've got them kicking around the house somewhere, or use your ear pods because they have a microphone in them as well. You will instantly notice the sound quality difference. The last one is to switch off shooting in auto mode on your phone, because what that tends to do is make your skin tone look a little bit strange and a little bit unrealistic. Just if it looks too bright, go in, tap your screen and just darken it down a little bit. Or again, if it looks a little bit too dark, you can go in and brighten it up a little bit. So there you have it, 5 ways that you can improve your TikTok video before you upload it onto TikTok. Go and give it a go and see how you get on. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'll be back again soon with some more TikTok tips.